Hey Frozen community! Today, we're going to walk through the Z-axis calibration for the Sonic Mighty Revo 16K. Let's get started. Before we begin, just a quick reminder, all Sonic Mighty Revo 16K build plate are pre-calibrated at the factory. If you ever need to recalibrate the building plate, feel free to follow the steps in this video to perform Z-axis calibration. First, on the touchscreen, tap Tools, then Z-axis Control. After entering the Z-axis control interface, tap the icon in the upper left corner to go to the Smart Leveling screen, then select Manual Z-axis Calibration. Next, remove the resin vat and place an A4 sheet on the LCD. Tap Next and wait for the Z-axis to move up to the top. Check if the limit sensor makes a beep sound. Then tap Next, confirm the build plate is installed and the hand-tightened screws are secure, and tap Next again. Use a 3mm hex wrench to slightly loosen the 4 flathead screws on the side of the build plate. Just a quick heads up, don't loosen them too much or the build plate could slip and damage the LCD. After that, tap Next and wait for the Z-axis to move down to the bottom. Gently hold the build plate and use a 3mm hex wrench to tighten the 4 flathead screws in a diagonal sequence. Once tightened, tap Next. Gently pull each corner of the paper to check for even friction between the paper and the build plate. It's important that all 4 corners feel the same. If the paper feels too tight or too loose in any corner, you can slightly adjust the build plate height with the Z offset function. Adjust until there's just the right amount of friction between the paper and the build plate at all 4 corners. Finally, tap Next and wait for the Z-axis to rise, and you're done. That's it for the Sonic Mighty Revo 16K Z-axis calibration tutorial. Hope you find this video helpful. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions in the comment section. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more exciting news from Frozen. I'll see you next time. Bye!